My name is Terrence Florie. My mentor is Joseph Sotelo, who is my campus principal. And today I'll be doing a leading activity um, where I'm leading a math department PLC. As the instructional coach on campus, my main focus is mathematics, and that's what I normally lead every week. So each week we have a different focus of the PLC. We talk about 5 to 10 minutes on simple um, household items that we have to get across, and then the other 30 minutes we deal with professional development in the PLC or collaboration. Today the focus is on problem solving models. We want to create a problem solving model that we will use from 6th through 8th grade on campus. That's the same across the grade levels, and so it's consistent. What we've noticed is that our students come across application problems quite frequently in math, but they don't understand how to solve those problems or the process they need to comprehend to do the mathematics involving those problems. So with this, we want to have a systematic, uniform way to get the students to understand the problem. To add, one of our process standards for mathematics is to use a problem-solving model. The students must use a problem-solving model, and this helps us achieve that standard. In that, we're going to expect our students to use a problem-solving model when they use an application problem. The process that we're going to go about in the meeting is I'm going to give them some sample problem-solving models that's across, and then we're going to pick. They're going to in the groups. They're going to pick out certain problem-solving models or pieces of the problem-solving model that they feel is most useful. They're going to be situated in various grade levels, a 6th, 7th, and 8th grade teacher together. They won't be combined by grade levels. That way they can get a better feel of what each grade level needs. And once they decide what are some good things about these methods and what they can add to them, then we're going to come back together and talk about some must-haves that we want to have in our own problem-solving model. And then have a consensus on that. Once we make that consensus, we're going to make a consensus on a template of a problem-solving model that we will use. And then we're going to talk about each piece that goes into that problem-solving model. For example, if it's a 4-part process problem-solving model, what does each part entail? What do the students must do to complete that portion? Once we gather that information, we're going to actually make a anchor chart for each teacher, and so that they can readily go back to the problem solving model in their class. And not only that, we're going to use an example problem and have the teachers work out the problem using the problem solving model, because they need to have practice to know how to implement it in their classroom. And then the expectation is that every day that students will be seeing application problems, that they're going to be using the problem solving model. Also, today's agenda is going to also deal with some household items, with testing that's coming up soon, and also our International Baccalaureate program. After the meeting, we'll send a Google survey for our teachers to give me feedback on the time management, the collaboration process, the communication process, and how useful was the PLC in improving instruction in their classroom. Because the main goal of everything that we do is student achievement.